So I'm up here at my cabin, or the new build cabin. So just guys are back here working on it here. You can see getting ready to start on the second floor. So just wanted to take some time to kind of go over this, how many flips to expect to do kind of per year, per month. So here's kind of the view essentially of where from my house, because my house is about right there. So that's kind of the view that's going to be out my family room and office and game room area. So pretty beautiful out here. It's all Coconino County Natural Forest out here. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you guys this kind of quick update on the video, give you guys some information, and hopefully you enjoy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to talk to you guys quickly about how many flips could you expect to do per month or per year. So as a beginner flipper, I usually tell people they can probably do somewhere around 2 to 3 per year for the most part, because they usually are not wanting to go into multiple flips at one time. So our typical flips, we plan about a 90-day process. So we close on it about a 30-day rehab, about 30 days on the market. Hopefully we're faster, but about 30 days on the market, and then a 30-day escrow. So a total of about 90 days. That's kind of what we shoot for on most of our flips. Of course, assuming they're not extensive rehabs. If they're extensive rehabs, we might be a 45 or 60-day rehab, then 30-day on the market, and then 30-day close. So in that case, or one of those, typically 2 to 3 per year is pretty average. But as you get more experienced at it and you're willing to take on multiple flips at a time, then what you would do is, if you wanted to still have one project at a time, essentially, so you'd have a 30-day rehab process. And then as soon as you're done with that rehab, you're closing on the next flip, you're starting that rehab, doing that in 30 days, so on and so forth. So then essentially you're basically doing one a month. So you're cranking through at least one a month that way. And then of course, as you get more experience and you have different things going on, then maybe multiple crews, or houses with maybe just kind of lipstick where it's kind of carpet and paint. And then you might have one that's more intense, that's more of a 30-day, but you might have one that's only like a 2-week. That's a pretty typical kind of thing for flipping. So just wanted to kind of go through that, what your expectations would be as far as kind of quantity of flips. It's really difficult to say, yeah, I'm going to be able to do 20, 30 per year just getting started, just because of the timelines of rotating through stuff. So hopefully that helps you guys a little bit on kind of some realistic expectations, whether you're just starting flips or you're wanting to ramp up. That's kind of what I'm seeing from, like I said, myself and my clients. So give us a thumbs up on the video, comment below if you guys have a different way, or you're doing more or less flips. I'd love to kind of hear it. And don't forget to connect in the Facebook group that's down below as well. We can chat more about that on the Facebook group too. So thanks a lot, guys. You guys have a great day. Thanks for your time.